Alright, just wanted to do a video here on my car cover for my Monte Carlo. It's going on 5 years now. You guys can go back in my videos and it'll show when I got it. I think it was back in 2019, but I just wanted to do this video just to show you guys that it's now starting to break down the tarp. There's all kinds of rips starting in it. Well, it's starting to fray here and there. But that's for being out in the Canadian winters and like the hot summers we've been having here too. So this cover has done its job really well. Most car tarps that you buy these days, you'd be lucky if you got like a year out of them or so, but this one's going on like 5-6 years almost. So it's had snow on top of it, ice, everything you can imagine pretty much. See, it's all like weathered and stained and stuff, but it's just from where it's sitting and stuff like that. So 5 years is like pretty good for like a tarp like this. I'm definitely not complaining about it. It's done its job and then some to protect this car. The only thing that really wore out was the bungees and cords I got when it came with it, but I still got the hooks and the little plastic straps you can fasten right to these things here, the edge of the tarp. But you can replace the bungee cords too. You can buy them anywhere, so that's not a big deal. I just basically use one in the middle, a long one, right here. So, I mean, 5-6 years on a car cover is pretty good. And this isn't a paid advertisement or nothing, but I just thought I'd just maybe plug this just because it's a good company, good brand of tarp and whatever. There's lots of other people that are using them too, lots of other YouTubers. So yeah, if you ever think about getting a tarp, maybe just have a look at them and their website or something like that. Alright guys, thanks a lot and cheers.